why most athletes fail before 90 days. 90 days, that's where 80% quit. Coach Ade here, let's talk mindset. Reason number one why most athletes fail before 90 days is impatience and comparison. Many new athletes quit too soon, not because they lack talent, but because they are impatient. They want instant results after posting just a few links or videos. But affiliate marketing is a compound process. Momentum builds with consistency, not speed. They scroll through social media comparing their day one to someone's year five. That comparison steals focus, confidence, and creativity. Every time you measure your success by others' highlights, you lose energy for your own growth. Instead of chasing others' results, track your own improvements. Better caption, better engagement, better understanding of your audience. Be patient with the process. The reward always follows those who persist long enough to master the craft. Reason number two why most athletes fail before 90 days. They have no system or data tracking. Most athletes jump from one video, most athletes jump from one idea to another without a system. They post randomly, promote different products every week, and never track what's working. Without data, you are just guessing, and guessing kills progress. Power of tracking. When you track links and conversions, you start making decisions based on facts, not feelings. You will know which video brings the most traffic, which offer converts best, and where your audience trust comes from. That's how professional scale, not luck, but tracking. Build a simple system. That is, plan your content, track your links, review on numbers weekly. When you treat your affiliate business like a system, it rewards you like a business, not a gamble. Reason number three, consistency plus review routine. Consistency builds momentum. Affiliate success isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up regularly. Even small daily action compounds into big wins. The moment you stop posting, testing, or learning, your momentum freezes. Consistency without reflection can waste energy. That's why smart athletes review their progress weekly or monthly to determine what worked, what didn't work, what to adjust. This keeps your growth intentional, not accidental. So set a rhythm, maybe 3 posting days and 1 review day. Track engagements, tweak headlines, improve calls to action. Remember, discipline plus reflection equals sustainable growth. That's how you move beyond the 90 days danger zone and into long-term success. Stay 90 days consistent. Watch what happened. Subscribe to this channel. Click the link below for my step-to-step guide. See you in the next video.